In this video, I will show you how you can unmatch someone on Tinder. So let's start. First of all, open the Tinder app. After opening the Tinder app, go to the chat section and tap on the chat of the person that you want to unmatch. Since this is a dummy account and I don't have any matches in here, let's assume the profile that I want to unmatch is Team Tinder. So open the chat of the person that you want to unmatch, and on the top screen you will find three dots like this. Tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, in these options there will be an option to unmatch. Tap on that unmatch option and further confirm by tapping on the unmatch option once again. So in this way you will unmatch with the respective person and neither you nor he or she can message each other again. Hence, in this way you can unmatch someone from Tinder. Thank you for watching the video.